How to use your AirTags. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In this video, this is going to be a short tutorial on how you can use your Apple AirTags, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now after you have received your Apple AirTag, the first step is that you want to connect it. So you want to make sure to actually remove the pack or the plastic ring that you get around it. When you remove the plastic thing over here on this AirTag, it is going to show up on an iOS device that there is a new Apple AirTag, and then you can simply use that in order to connect it to your device. So what you can do is, after you've connected it, just open the Find My app. There are a couple of things that you can do. So for that, just come to the items tab, just tap on it. You can choose a name for your AirTag. In this case, I just selected a name. Just scroll down, select the rename item button to actually change its name, and then after that you can change the emoji as well. Now if you want to enable lost mode in case you lose it, then you can just select enable lost mode. What this does is that it will just notify you when it is found, and then this item linked to your Apple ID, so no one else can pair to it. It is also going to be linked to your Apple ID over here, so that when someone else wants to connect, they have to simply unlink it. So you can also leave a phone number or email for the finder if your item in order to contact you. Now after this, what you can do is you can play a sound if you think that it's lost somewhere, and basically it is going to play a strange sound right from this AirTag, as you can basically hear it. So this is the way to play the sound. If you lose the AirTag, you can actually just select directions over here, and then you'll be able to find the directions in this case. Now once you've done all of that, you'll be able to find the directions as well. If you want to remove this AirTag and then disconnect it, just select remove item to remove this item from your Apple device. And that's all it takes to use the AirTag for the basic purpose. Now if you want to get to the hard part of it, you can actually replace the batteries. So keep in mind, AirTags are not chargeable. You can replace the batteries by just holding on it and then swiping towards the anti-clockwise direction, and then you will be able to basically go ahead and then remove those batteries. In this case, as you can see, if you want to place it, you can just place it. Make sure the three corners are placed properly, and then you'll be able to place the rings around it again. And this is it as to how you can use your Apple AirTags. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.